All right, we are getting a breaking input. Prime Minister Modi is all set to visit Nagpur on the occasion of Gudi Padwa on 30th March to share stage with RSS chief. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Payal, just yesterday we heard the podcast where the Prime Minister was in fact talking about the deep relation that he shares with RSS ever since his childhood. And now he is all set to visit Nagpur. He's going to in fact share the stage with the Mohan Bhagwat. Give us more details.
The Prime Minister is going to participate in a series of programs, but one of the programs that is going to be at the beach at the RSS headquarters in Nagpur on the occasion of Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa essentially is the Maharashtrian New Year, and this is a very important development coming to the fore, because the last time the two had a one-to-one meeting publicly was way back in 2014. By then, the Prime Minister had not even become the Prime Minister of the country. He was still the Gujarat Chief Minister. This is extremely significant given the fact that the Prime Minister of recent Sharon has endorsed the RSS and spoken about them publicly on the last, at least on two occasions in the last 1 month or so, including a detailed conversation that he had with the podcaster yesterday, where he said that understanding the RSS is not very easy, but it has shaped up his life and given him a purpose. He went on to say that the RSS is the largest voluntary organization in the world and which works for the cause of the country as well. This comes in at a significant step when the RSS is all set to celebrate its 100th year of foundation. And more than anything else, it just comes ahead of the BJP announcing its national president. So obviously, a lot of political messaging also coming into it, and also the fact that the Prime Minister so elaborately explained about the RSS also, gives you an indication that probably the BJP is trying to, in fact, make sure that they take the RSS along as far as all the decisions are really concerned and give them a public, reckoning of sorts.
All right. Many thanks, Payal, for getting us all those details.